Hello and welcome back, students. I am Morayo, your personal ESL and IELTS instructor, and today we are going to be looking at IELTS reading, my band score versus my reading level. What does that mean? So there are three things that we need to point out here. Very first thing, for item 1, there are 3 reading levels that we're going to use. The very first one is the literal reading level. This is where we create a picture in our mind when we read the information on the page or on the screen. But it's the most basic picture. This is the literal level, and it is the most fundamental reading level to get to because you have the main idea. Then we are going to move on to our second level, and this is the inferential level. Inferential level. And for this level, it's also referred to as reading between the lines. And why is that? Because now we're connecting more of the information that we've read with the bigger picture of what's going on. And here we're able to have a deeper understanding of our text. Now, the third level of reading comprehension is going to be the evaluative level. This is when we are able to answer and ask questions about the materials we've read. Now, my recommendation for all of you, you need to have the inferential level, or the level where you can read between the lines, that middle level, for a higher band score. If you would like a band score of band 6 or above, you want to reach at least that middle level. And I encourage you to practice daily.